Welcome back to Handmade. I'm Cassidy, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. So I thought, why not make a super fun centerpieces for my table? And the best way for me to do that is using some of my favorite things, like upcycling things from the thrift store. And I got it so cheap. I even found some things in my recycling bin that would be perfect, like this paper towel roll, an almond container, some of these old baking pans. I can't wait for you to see each of these projects and how the final tablescape comes together. I'm starting with 3 thrifted pans. Paint with chalk paint, seal with your clear wax, follow with a dark soft wax to give it a distressed and aged look. Focus on the corners and edges of the pan. Buff the wax off the pan as you go. Repeat with all 3 pans. I'm going to be making a 3-tiered tower to be the centerpiece. To create the tiers, I used 2 candle pillars. I used the same process on the pillars that I used on the pan. And this is optional, but I found this piece of resin art for the top. Wooden knobs make perfect feet. And you guessed it, I used the same process for the feet. Using permanent craft adhesive, attach the feet to the base of the pan. Once that dries, flip it over and attach the largest pillar to the center of the pan. Add a ring of adhesive to the top of the pillar, and then add the second pan. Repeat this for the 3rd tier. Finally, attach the resin art to the very top. Let dry, and you're finished. I dug this almond container out of my recycling bin and thought this would be an awesome candle base. So then I wrapped it in jute rope with a little hot glue, and it's finished. For a little extra fall embellishment, let's start with some scrap wood from your hardware store. Paint each block a different color with chalk paint. Create a word with chipboard letters. Paint letters, glue to the blocks, and you're all done. Everyone always has paper towel rolls in the recycling, so put them to use. I cut mine into 7 even pieces, wrapped with fabric, then secured it with hot glue. Now you have a full set of napkin rings. With your thrift store finds and your recycling, add a little chalk paint and you can transform any tablescape this Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments below which one of these you will be trying this Thanksgiving. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe, and see you next time.